Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming access. Log into your domain registrar and Shopify admin. Once done, make sure your Shopify plan allows connecting a custom domain and open the domains section. Next, find DNS or name server settings at your registrar. You need to edit the record and the www name. Don't change name servers yet unless instructed. This first step sets the foundation for pointing your domain. Act now so you can update DNS records in the next step. Now update the DNS. Change the domain's record to Shopify's IP address and set the www subdomain CNAME to shops. Shopify.com. You'll enter values exactly as shown and save. Some registrars label as host or address and CNAME as alias. Once saved, check TTL or time to live, lower value speed propagation, but may not be necessary. Make sure only the root has the record and only www uses the CNAME to avoid conflicts. This ensures Shopify can verify. Finally, in Shopify, choose Connect Existing Domain and enter your domain to verify. Once Shopify detects the correct A and CNAME records, it will provision SSL automatically. Make sure SSL shows as active before promoting the domain. Allow up to 48 hours for full propagation, but often it's faster. If verification fails, recheck records for typos, remove conflicting records, and flush your local DNS cache. This troubleshooting tip, verify exact record values and clear caches, fixes most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.